Hi everybody, Kaz from Graphics by Kaz here, and today we're looking at how to import custom graphics into Twitch so you can use them as your panels, so you can make your panel information look really great and your Twitch information look fantastic. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also share it with other streamers that would also find it helpful. Cool, okay, right, now that's over and done with, let's get into it. So go to your Twitch channel, which is twitch.tv/your username, and scroll down so you go past the Twitch window and you see your information. And if there's something there already, it will be here. If not, it will just say it's empty. So I have to click on this little toggle here, which says edit panels. And now I get these boxes which I can import. I'm just going to close that because it's a bit distracting. But what you can also do is click on this big plus button here. Now click on add text or image panel. So now I've got a nice panel that I can type image links to or type my information in here. So what I'm going to do is click on add image. I'm going to click again on here to choose the image I want to import. And now I'm going to go to panels. In the graphics pack that I provide, I actually provide two variants because a lot of people just have one panel and it looks a bit samey if it runs down the screen and it's the same. It just looks a bit boring. So I like to have two variants. So one variant, it looks basically exactly the same, just the leaves are in a different place and it looks a little bit different. So it gives a bit of variation to your stream so it's not so boring when people look at your panels. So I'm gonna click open here. I'm gonna grab this little arrow and then open it up so it encapsulates the entire image, and then I'm gonna click done, and that's basically it. So now I'm just gonna write, hi, I'm Kaz, I make things, and click submit. So now when I click the toggle off, here we go, we have hi, I'm Kaz and I make things, and then this nice little about here. So what I can do now is actually add another one, and I think that was variant 1 that I used. Oh no, it was variant 2, sorry. So now I'm going to use variant 1, and I'm going to talk about the games that I play. So again, I'm going to, if that happens, then drag from the top left to the top right, and you can grab these little handles and expand that out, and click done. And I'm going to put I play games, and submit that as well. And I'll probably make another one just for completeness. And I'm gonna go back to variant 2 just to make sure it looks a bit interesting. I'm gonna say YouTube, drag it out, click done. I have a YouTube, and then click on submit. Right, now I'm going to click the panels off, and then we have 3 lovely panels here. You can put loads of information underneath them, you can use emojis, and they do give a bit of variation to your about panel, because I just feel that sometimes when you have the same thing copied and pasted over and over and over, it just looks a bit lame. So I just thought I'd include 2 variants and change it up a little bit so it's just more exciting to look at. And there you have it. Sorry, really quick video, guys. There's not much to it, that's kind of it. Thank you so much for watching. If you do have any other ideas on what you want to do with graphics or any other questions about how you can use custom graphics, please leave them below and I will get back to you and probably make some more videos on how to do certain things with custom graphics. Thanks very much, guys. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.